Do you know why most people never reach their dreams? It's not because they lack talent. It's not because they lack opportunity. It's because they quit. They give up at the first sign of struggle. They let fear control them. They let doubt define them. But not you. You are here, reading these words, because you want more. Because deep inside, you know you were made for something greater. And greatness doesn't wait. It's earned, one step at a time, with courage, focus, and relentless action. Let's talk about fear first. Fear is natural. It is the mind's way of protecting you. But most people let fear dictate their lives. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. The truth is, fear is the sign that you are on the right path. When your heart races, when doubt whispers, when the challenge seems impossible, that is exactly where growth happens. Take Elon Musk. Critics laughed at him when he tried to build SpaceX. They said he was crazy, that he would fail. He did fail. Many times. Rockets exploded, money ran out, investors panicked. But he didn't quit. Every failure was a lesson, every setback a stepping stone. And today, he's literally changing the world. What Musk teaches us is this: persistence beats talent when talent gives up. Now think about your own life. How many times have you stopped yourself before even trying? How many times have you let doubt win? The difference between you and those who succeed is simple. They keep moving. They fall. They get up. They adjust. They persist. Persistence is not glamorous. It's not exciting. It's showing up when no one is watching. It's taking one more step when your legs ache. It's sending that email, making that call, practicing that skill, even when results are invisible. That is what builds unstoppable people. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who dreamed of becoming a famous author. He wrote every day, but rejection letters piled up. Hundreds of them. Most would have quit. Most would have said, "This isn't for me." But he didn't. He rewrote, he improved, he persisted. Eventually, his book became a bestseller and inspired millions. You don't know which rejection is your breakthrough, so never quit before your time. Next, let's talk about focus. The world is noisy. Social media, opinions, distractions everywhere. If you want to achieve your dreams, you must focus relentlessly. Focus on learning. Focus on growing. Focus on action. Say no to things that do not serve your goal. And remember, your only competition is yourself. Look at Michael Jordan, cut from his high school team, humiliated, heartbroken, but he practiced harder than anyone else. He focused on his craft relentlessly, and he became the greatest basketball player in history. Focus creates results. No excuses, no distractions, no shortcuts. Now let's discuss failure. Failure is not your enemy. Failure is your teacher. Every mistake carries a lesson. Every rejection has hidden wisdom. Learn from it, adjust, and move forward. The person who never fails never grows. The person who learns from failure becomes unstoppable. And here's a truth most people ignore. Small actions matter. Writing one page today leads to a book next year. Investing $1 daily grows into thousands. Running 5 minutes today leads to a marathon tomorrow. Your life is the sum of small choices repeated consistently. Every day counts. Every effort counts. Every decision matters. Let's talk about mindset. Your mind is your most powerful weapon. It will try to convince you to quit, to doubt, to settle. You must train it. Feed it positivity. Challenge it with growth. Condition it to act despite fear. The stronger your mind, the stronger your life. Here's another story. A young woman dreamed of becoming a motivational speaker. She was shy. She stuttered. She lacked confidence. Most people told her it would never work, but she didn't listen. She practiced, recorded herself, studied public speaking, pushed herself daily. Today, she inspires thousands, proving that growth comes from relentless practice, not natural talent. Let's move to action. Dreams remain dreams until you act. Thinking, planning, wishing, these are useless without action. Start now. Start small. Start imperfectly. Momentum is the key. One small step leads to another, then another, until suddenly you realize you are unstoppable. Now, let's talk about grit. Grit is staying the course, even when it hurts. Grit is working when tired. Grit is learning when rejected. Grit is believing in yourself when no one else does. Consider Oprah Winfrey. She faced poverty, abuse, rejection, yet she persisted. She learned. She grew. She became a billionaire and one of the most influential women in the world. Her life teaches us, your past does not define your future. Your effort does. And don't forget gratitude. Even in struggle, find something to appreciate. Gratitude fuels motivation. It shifts your mindset. It reminds you of progress, even when the path seems long. Now, here's the lesson you must take away today. Never fear failure. Never quit focus relentlessly. Take action daily. Learn from mistakes. Surround yourself with positive influences. Practice gratitude. Train your mind. Persist through discomfort. And above all, believe in yourself. Because the world will try to tell you no. The world will test your patience. The world will doubt your vision. But if you refuse to quit, if you act daily, if you persist, nothing can stop you. Close your eyes for a moment. Visualize the life you want. See yourself achieving your goals. Feel the pride, the joy, the satisfaction. Now open your eyes. That life is waiting. Take one step today. Take action. And repeat tomorrow. Momentum builds. Progress compounds. You grow unstoppable. Life is a series of lessons. Some harsh, some subtle. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. Action, persistence, courage, focus. And remember, success is never instant. It's forged in the fire of persistence. It's built brick by brick, failure by failure, lesson by lesson. Your story is yours to write. Your destiny is yours to create. Rise every time you fall. Learn from every mistake. Grow from every challenge. Chase your dreams relentlessly. And finally, before you leave this video, hit like, subscribe, and share this message with someone who needs motivation today. Your action today might change someone else's life.